parliamentarian Mr. Shashank Mani, and I welcome you, sir, to talk about the vision that you developed and the vision that you have today for the space sector.
Thank you very much. It's a real pleasure to be here. Pranam Devariya. मैं देवरिया संसदीय क्षेत्र का सांसद हूँ, तो मैं कुछ चीज़ें हिंदी बोलूँगा लेकिन अधिकांश अंग्रेजी में बोलूँगा. It's a real privilege to be here at a time when this country is going through a transformative change under the leadership of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And on this National Space Day, we usually do three things. We celebrate stalwarts like you who have brought this industry to where it is. We also have celebrated Vikram Sarabhai's birth anniversary, which falls earlier in this month. And most crucially, we plan for the future. And this panel, which will follow my short introduction, will hopefully discuss how the decadal vision can be implemented. But in some ways, this particular panel and what this decadal vision talks about is not just about space. It's about the enormous benefits that space can bring to this country. Space एक दृष्टिकोण है, space एक space of mind है, और उससे कई अन्य चीज़ें हो सकती हैं जिसमें नवाचार होगा, जिसमें नई दृष्टिकोण आएंगे, हमारे जो नवयुवक हैं प्रभावित होंगे, कई ऐसे क्षेत्रों में प्रभाव पड़ेगा जहां पर शायद आज की तारीख में टेक्नोलॉजी पहुंच नहीं पाई है. मेरी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी जो उत्तर प्रदेश और बिहार के बीच में है, जिसका क्षेत्रफल 100 किलोमीटर बनाम 75 किलोमीटर है, उसके लोगों को हम कैसे स्पेस से प्रभावित कर सकते हैं. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द पॉसिबिलिटीज. थैंक्स टू चेयरमैन इसरो, चेयरमैन इन स्पेस, आई रीच्ड आउट टू देम एज सून आई गॉट इलेक्टेड. There's a possibility, and I say it's a possibility because we haven't really declared it fully, that there's a space team today. And it's a huge coincidence, an entire coincidence. Dr. Goenka called me here, and yesterday, this morning, I got a call from Dr. Raghavendra, Mr. Raghavendra, that there is a good possibility that we can establish a space station in my constituency. Would you believe that? मैं उत्तर प्रदेश और बिहार के बीच में, नॉर्थ में आप लोगों ने कोई चीज़ लगाई नहीं है, दूसरा स्पेस स्टेशन उत्तर प्रदेश हो सकता है मेरी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. इसके लिए आप सब लोगों को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. आप सब लोगों को, इसरो के जो लोग हैं जो वहाँ पर गए हैं, उसका नेतृत्व एक महिला कर रही हैं, आप लोगों ने किया है. But let's talk about other things. If you look at the farming community of my district, there is 10 lakh farmers, not farmers, there are 10 lakh people dependent on farming. How can space support them? By crop insurance. I know Satshore is doing some work. Many others are doing some work. There is urban planning. I intend to create Naya Devariya. If I were to do it traditionally, I know it will take me at least 10 years. I know I can plan it in 1 year with Naya Devariya. I know that with space. Environmental sustainable growth. Somebody talked about that in the previous panel. अगर हर गांव में हम लोग हर ग्राम प्रधान को बताएं कि यदि आप इतने पेड़ उगाएंगे तो आपको इतना कार्बन क्रेडिट मिलेगा स्पेस के माध्यम से, तो रेवोल्यूशन आ सकता है. Thank you very much for having me here. I really appreciate it. And do enjoy the panel discussion which follows.
Sir, can we request you to please stay with us on stage? We are very grateful to you. We'd like to request Secretary Department of Space and Chairman ISRO, Dr. Somnath SG, to kindly join us on stage and felicitate the Honorable Member of Parliament, Shri Shashank Mani. Thank you very much, sir. Your presence and insights have greatly enriched the celebration, National Space Day, and have inspired all of us today. A huge thunderous round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for our keynote speaker, Honorable Member Parliament, Shri Shashank Mani. And we thank you, sir, for all your endeavors in expanding space consciousness. With that, ladies and gentlemen,